welcome back to maths class. Today in this class we are going to do mental maths. In the last class video we have completed the 10th chapter and I have given you the assignment. Please complete that assignment and submit it. Okay. So today we are going to start with mental maths from page number 42. Please take out your mental maths book and do it with me also, okay? Because if you do with me, then your concept will also get clear how to do it, right? So let's start the mental. Now you can see here, this is page number 42 and we are going to start with exercise 34, okay? Page number 42, okay? Exercise 34, all right? Now look here, read these questions. Solve the given jigsaw puzzles. Some jigsaw puzzles are given. You have to solve them. 9 tens plus 7 ones is equal to how much? 9 tens means we know 90 plus 7 is equal to 97. Okay. Then next we have what is the value of place value of 7 in 47. So this place value you have to find out. We know that we have learned the place values, no? Ones, tens, likewise. So what is the place value of 7 in case of this number? It is 7 ones we can write. Okay. Look here now. 2 tens plus 3 ones is equal to, it is same as the first question. So we will write 20 plus 3 is 23. What about this question? 4 tens plus 9 ones? I will not do. You will do it. Now, 7 tens minus 4 ones. Now, 7 tens we know 70. Minus we have to subtract now. So, 0 is smaller than 4. So, we have to borrow. This will become 7 and this number will become 10. Now, we can subtract from 10 to 4. Okay, from 10. We can subtract 4. So, it is going to come 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. So, the answer is coming 66. Likewise, you will do this question also. This is like you have to add 5 tens plus 3 ones how much. I am not going to do all the sums for you because some of the questions you should also try to do by yourself. I will only explain you the new types of question. Like here 27, how will you write this in expanded form? Which digit will be in the tens place and which one will be in the ones place? So we said 20 will be in the tens place and 7 will be in the ones place, and so we write the number 27. Now this question is similar to this question, okay? So what is the place value of 3? Here you have to find out the place value of 3. You can write either 30 or 3 tens. Both are correct. In both ways you can write. Okay. Now this is also subtraction. This one here you have to write the place value of 5 in this number, this place value. Then in this question 110 plus 7 ones, again you have to add and write the number. What is the place value of 9 in 19? So, I hope you will be able to solve all these jigsaw puzzles. Okay. Now, let's move to the next page, that is page number 43. In page number 43, you see addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All the 4 mathematical operations are given. And I think I don't need to tell you how to do them because you have already learnt. Alright. You need not to do these word problems here. You will only do number 1, 2, 3, 4 in the book itself. Alright. So, I am not going to explain how to do them. Now, moving to the next page, let's come to this page. Page number 44. In this page, the questions which are given, they are all based on fraction. And if you remember on chapter number 7, we have done fraction, isn't it? So, now you have to apply that information, whatever you have learned in chapter number 7 fraction. So, let's see here write the fractions for the shaded part. Now you see how many number of total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total number of parts we write in down, 4. Okay. And how many parts are shaded? We write up. So one part is shaded. So I will write 1 by 4. Okay. Now in this question you see how many total number of parts are there? 1 and 2. So again I am going to write this below. 2 I will write down. And how many parts are shaded? I will write up. So the answer is 1 by 2. Now what about in this question number C? You see total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. Again total number of parts we write down, and how many parts are shaded? 1 part. So the shaded part we will write up. And how do we read this fraction? 1 by 4. Okay. Come to this question. Now number D. In this, how many parts are there? Total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No, I think if we just extend this, then we can get to know the number of parts. So how many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 parts are there. So we will write down here 6. And up how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. So we will write 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3 we can if you just see, this is the half part. 1 by 2. You can write 3 by 6 also, or if you just want to write 1 by 2, that is also correct. Okay. But 1 by 2 you will not write now. I'll explain you when you go to higher class in class 4, then you will understand why it is 1 by 2. But now you will write 3 by 6. So total number of parts, how many are there? 6 are there. And how many parts are shaded? 3 parts are shaded. So you will write in this way. Likewise, you will complete the rest. In this question, you see what is done. If we see this how do we say? Say here, here, and then this is in this way and this way. So you see how many number of parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number of parts are there. And how many parts are shaded? 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are shaded. Okay. Likewise, we will do for the rest also. This one also we'll just try to do. Okay. Now, in this you see like this you can draw. Okay. So how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Out of 6 parts, how many parts are shaded? 5 parts are shaded. So you will write 5 by 6 like that. Now in the next question you see, shade the figure for the given fraction. It is said 1 by 2. So in this figure we will shade any one part of the figure like this. Now here 3 by 5. So as we know that down we write the total number of parts and up we write the number of parts which are been shaded. So from here we can shade any 3 parts. Okay, any 3 parts. It's all up to you. I am shading the consecutive 3 parts or in order. You can shade any 3 part like that. Okay, so you will shade in this way. Alright, in this way. Now similarly here 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 2 by 6 it is said, no? So if it is 2 by 6, say let's count in this way. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is half and this is half. So it is becoming 6. Okay, and we have to shade any two part of it. How we will shade any two part of it? If you just any two part, how will you shade? So you can shade any. This is full one part shaded. Okay, this is one full part shaded, and you can shade these half parts is equal to one part. This is half part and this is half part. So it is becoming one part. Okay, now it is 2 by 6. Or else you can shade any two part also. That is also correct. Here 5 by 8. 8 parts are there, any 5 part you shade. In this, any one part you shade out of 3 parts. Alright. Now come to page number 45. In page number 45 you have to write the fraction. How will you write the fraction? It is 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2, how do we write? 1 by 2. 2 out of 4, how do we write? 2 by 4. 2 out of 3, 2 by 3. 5 out of 8, 5 by 8. Likewise, then here you see 1 out of 3, 1 by 3. 3 out of 5, 3 by 5. In this way you will complete the rest. Question number 2, put on the figure tick. You have to put the tick mark on the figures which have two equal parts. Okay, two equal parts means this one is having two equal parts, 1 and 2, two equal part, and this one. These two figures are having two equal parts. In this 4 equal parts, this figure is having 4 equal part and this is having 4 equal parts. You can see that. So this one and this one. Alright. So we completed page number 45. Come to page number 46. Okay. Now in page number 46, what you have to do? Write the shaded portion or as fraction. First one is done for you. See, the one part out of 4 parts have been shaded. So it is written 1 by 4. In this question, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there. 1/3. Okay, we will write 1/3. And in numbers, we will write 1 by 3. In this, 1/2. And here 1 by 2. Then this one will be 3/4 and this will be 2/3. Okay, and you have to write. Now look at these questions. You have to understand these questions. Okay, what is half of 1 dozen? Now we know 1 dozen is equal to 12. What is half of 1 dozen? It will be like if you divide, you will get 6. So we will write 6. Alright. Now what is 1/4 of 20? 20 1/4. That means you will divide 20 by 4. So what is the answer coming? Or when you divide 20 by 4, 4 5s are. So 1/4 of 20 is 5. What is half of a rupee? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So half a rupee means you just divide this, you will get 50 paisa. You can write here 50 paisa. Now what is 1/3 of 18? Like as we have done 1/4 of 20, in the same way 1/3 of 18. 18 divided by 3. So when you divide 18 by 3, you get 6. You can write here 6. How many halves make a whole? How many halves? See, this is one half of the circle and another half of the circle. When you join these two, you get one whole. So we will write here 2 halves of circle make one whole. How many quarters make a whole? How many quarters will make a whole? So quarters means what? 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is quarter. So we will write here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters will make one whole. What is half of 18 toffees? What is half of 18 toffees, children? Half of 18 toffees is, that means 18 divided by 2. So when we divide 18 by 2, we get 9. 9 toffees. We will write here 9 toffees. What is 2/3 of 9? Again, 2/3 of 9 means 2 by 3, 2/3 of 9. So what do we do? See, 2 by 3. This is little difficult for you, but don't worry. I am showing you the calculation. See how we do. So first you multiply 2 8s are 2 9s are 18. 18 divided by 3, 6. So 2/3 of 9 is, we can say 6. Correct? Is that okay? So this is little calculation based questions. Try to understand and follow the calculations which are done here, and you also try to do by yourself. Alright children. So we have completed page number 42. Okay. 43, 44, 45 and 46. So these 4 pages we have completed. In the next class we will be dealing with geometrical shape. Since I have not started in the textbook also geometrical shape, so let me complete that chapter first with you in the textbook, then I will come to this mental maths pages. Okay. So till then what you are going to do, you will complete page number 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46. Okay children. So that's all in this class. Please complete the work, and I will try to upload the work in the Google Classroom, and there you can send me. Alright. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.